What is Google Docs?
A Google Docs is a web-based word processor that allows users to create, edit, and store documents online. It's accessible from any device with an internet connection and supports a wide range of document formats. Its main appeal lies in making document creation and sharing simple, secure, and efficient for both individuals and teams.
How real-time collaboration works.
With real-time collaboration, multiple people can work on the same document at once. As someone types or edits, changes instantly appear for everyone. You can see who is viewing or editing, communicate with comments or suggestions, and never worry about overwriting someone else's work. Google Docs handles it seamlessly.
Document control and permissions.
Document control is essential for managing privacy and workflow. Google Docs lets you decide who can view, comment, or edit your files. You can share links, invite specific people, or restrict access further. Control settings make it easy to keep important information secure while still promoting smooth collaboration.
Easy organization and knowledge management.
Organizing documents is simple. Store files in folders, use search to quickly find what you need, and star important documents for quick access. With cloud storage through Google Drive, your documents are always backed up and accessible, powering efficient knowledge management for individuals and teams.
Why teams choose Google Docs?
Teams pick Google Docs for its ease of use, reliable sharing, and collaboration features. It removes the hassle of email attachments and version confusion, enabling better project management and knowledge sharing. Whether it's drafting a report, tracking meeting notes, or brainstorming ideas, Google Docs brings people together to work smarter.